Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TikTok for Creator Fund eligibility steps, full guide step by step clearly. To download TikTok for Creator Fund eligibility, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open your device's App Store. For iOS devices, navigate to the App Store. For Android devices, head over to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type TikTok. Press the search icon to see the results. Locate the TikTok app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. Take a moment to read the overview and reviews. Now, tap on the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the TikTok icon on your home screen. Tap the TikTok icon to launch the app for the first time. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you're a new user, select the option to create an account. Choose a sign-up method that suits you, such as email, phone number, or social media accounts. Fill in the required information and follow the prompts to complete the registration. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. To be eligible for the Creator Fund, you need to meet certain requirements. Ensure you are over 18 years old and have at least 10,000 followers. Check that you have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. If you meet these criteria, proceed to activate the Creator Fund. Look for the three dots or the menu icon on your profile page. Tap on it to access settings. Scroll down until you find Creator Fund or Monetization. Follow the on-screen instructions to apply for the Creator Fund. Once applied, wait for confirmation of your eligibility. Keep creating original content to maintain and grow your following. Engage with your audience through comments and live streams. Review TikTok's guidelines regularly to stay compliant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.